Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks, where we embrace getting older. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Jan.
And today we're going to be doing a taste test.
Taste test.
But the reason we're doing this is because I was watching an old Ma'am Talks video. Not that old. We've only been online for like a year and a half. But and I was talking in one of the videos and I said, I never buy chips in my house.
That's right, you did say, the very first one.
Right.
Was the
Well,
very first one you did.
Guess what? That has changed. I'm addicted to Kettle Pop chips. Is that what it's called?
Kettle
Cooked.
Kettle
Cooked Chips.
Yes. Oh,
And
they're
so,
good.
and I buy the most expensive Cape Cod. And so I thought, is there a difference? Really? Do I have to buy the most expensive one? And so I went and bought 4 different types of kettle cooked potato chips. And I
There
thought
you
we
have
would
it.
try them.
And there's our reason.
So let's just go one by one and see what we think of it.
Okay.
So why don't we start
Are
over
these in
here?
order for what?
No,
Okay.
no, they're not in order of the
Oh,
bags.
and then we should pick the one we like best.
Yes. And why?
It's going to be very loud.
Very crunchy.
Well, right off the bat, they're the prettiest ones.
They
Don't
are.
you think?
Yeah, they are.
They don't look greasy.
Not too salty.
Beautiful and crunchy.
But we
know
don't
which
know
one
which
is
one
which?
that is.
No,
Well, how are you
Okay.
going to know?
I have it underneath.
Oh, she's so smart.
Let me cleanse my palate.
Oh, dear Lord.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Okay.
I love the ones that are,
You just
that are
drop them
all
in.
like that.
That's good.
These are actually quite good.
I still prefer one.
Okay, but
that's
these are saltier.
They're
Not
crunchy
bad.
though. They're real crunchy. I like them.
They're not too salty. They're good.
Let's try this one.
Man, hold on.
Cleansing my palate.
I wanted that one. I'm looking for a crunchy one.
Really? There's a bowl. They're gonna go for the same chip.
This has a different texture.
Not as salty. Let me do the salt. It's okay. It's not as crunchy.
You know what I don't like? I was so careful when I bought these bags of chips. I was like cradling them. And as soon as I opened this one, they're all tiny little pieces.
Because somebody
And I
before
don't
you
like
was-
them.
I don't care for that one. It has like an aftertaste, if you will.
It's just okay. It's just yeah. Okay.
Okay, and this one is kettle cooked. But I made a mistake and I got the barbecues. But let's look for the texture,
The texture.
okay?
Ooh, that's barbecued. That's a lot of texture.
That's a lot of barbecue.
This is the kind that could cut your mouth up.
And not only that, it's very, but that's the barbecue. It's very sweet. Has a lot of sugar. So, are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Which one is your favorite jam? That one?
Number 1.
And which one is your next favorite?
Well, it's kind of not fair because
Oh,
One
of
of
course
these-
you'd come up with something, right?
one of these I buy, except a different version, and I know which one that is.
Just tell me which one you like.
I have a story to tell. So, when I was a baby,
Oh, gosh. Oh, my God.
killing
I'm
me,
kind
just
of
killing
torn. Can we have one more taste
Sure.
to finalize this?
Have a whole bowl.
I'm gonna have more
Oh, I
taste of
wanted
this.
that one, Kathy.
Too bad.
They're so infantile.
So proper.
Still this one.
I don't know, this one's pretty good. I'm addicted to this stuff now. That one's the winner. Definitely the winner.
You too?
Yeah, absolutely. And next, I would say this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what they are.
Let's start at that end and see what they are.
Okay.
Oh, you have it written down?
Yes, I do.
I thought they would be underneath.
This one is Private Selection brand, which I have never noticed before.
Oh, yeah, that's
Oh,
that's their
Kroger, isn't it?
Is
oh,
this-
Ralph,
yeah.
Ralph. Isn't it Kroger?
This is Private Select, I don't know.
Yeah,
That's
I
I-
think it's
Ralph
Ralph.
brand. Yeah.
Okay, and that was the barbecue one. That was the one that we thought was a little bit too tough. And then, let me see what this one is. Number 2, this is the Kroger bag. And like I said, I mean, it's not bad. It does have a little bit of an aftertaste. And it's like all crunched up. And I was very careful with the bags.
We don't like our chips.
What is it? Quality control.
Yeah. And then the next one was, our number 2 was Lay's.
I knew it.
Yeah, Lay's. And Lay's,
This is number 3. Oh, so you have it
yeah.
written down as Lay's.
number 3, this is Lay's. And this is interesting because this is actually just as expensive as the Cape Cod. You buy all of these on sale, of course. You never pay full price.
Never.
Okay, that was good. And then our winner is the one that I buy, which is the most expensive. It's $3.79 a bag. With this size bag,
They don't make any other size bag. I know these because I
Are
buy.
these all the same weight?
yeah.
I buy the Cape Cod, but the reduced fat version only because I find that the regular chips have much more salt on them than the reduced fat ones. And I just don't like that over salt. So I buy the reduced fat ones and they are amazing.
Well, there you have it.
The reason I got so into, I forgot what I needed it for. I was having some kind of little party and I thought chips would be good. And the minute I put one in my mouth, it is so crunchy. I just, oh my God.
They're really good.
They're like heaven on earth.
Thank you.
I wasn't going to
Yep.
share that many.
And they have those in little tiny bags, like if you go to
Oh, really?
a sandwich shop or something. I always get those. Because I love them.
I love potato chips. I love chips.
They're not good for you.
That's true.
Well,
Did you do an analysis of all the ingredients therein?
I was going to, and then I thought I'm not going to be able to eat them in peace. So I didn't want to know what was in them.
That's
well, they're all
Good
they're all
choice.
good. I mean, these are good. They're different because they're the barbecue, and I do like barbecue.
The barbecue
that's like
taste is
overwhelmingly
delicious.
barbecue, though.
No.
You know what I'll use these for? The Kroger, the ones that in little pieces. I'll probably use this. You know when you make what is that dish? Widow's potatoes, funeral potatoes.
Oh yeah, and you crunch them all
Sounds
up.
delightful.
And you crunch the potato chips and put it all over the potato casserole to give it that little crunch. I'll probably use these because they're already so small.
You can just take a hammer and on the bag and you're done.
Those are definitely too sweet. I like barbecue that
Right.
aren't sweet.
Yeah, this is a lot of sugar. I like it because I like sugar, but it is sweet.
I don't care for
They're
barbecue.
too sweet.
Well,
I'm a
ladies,
straight chip person.
I used to eat, when I was a young girl, I used to eat either Oreo cookies with Coke and
Ugh.
milk,
Oh,
or potato chips with Coke and milk. And it
Yeah.
was that combination
Oh,
of
not the
sweet
milk.
and salty.
You
Did
did
that?
milk?
You did that.
Condensed milk with Pepsi,
Oh,
mixed up, heaven on earth.
someday I'm
And
gonna.
then
We should
some
try
chips.
that.
Let's do a video
Oh,
on that.
yes.
You guys get to try. Oh my God!
I want
Oh
to
my
try
God.
that because
That's horrible.
I keep hearing you talk about that.
If you like it, you'll go.
I can't tell you now.
You're gonna like it. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click those share and like buttons.
Wait a minute, a mouthful.
Jesus.
Follow
And-
us on
Remember to subscribe on YouTube.
and our website www.mamtalks.com. And don't forget to embrace getting older with us.
Always.
Bye.